What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Gunfish TV. I want to thank you for tuning in to my channel today. I appreciate it very much. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming content. So on today's video, I have a really exciting one for you all. Me, Lee, my buddy Scott, and his son headed out to that fire pond. If you recall from last year, me and Lee went out there and caught some absolute tanks, and we ended up back out there a couple weeks ago, and man, we caught them again. Caught them pretty much the same way, caught them on a few different things, but we caught a really good limit. Our goal was to catch over a 21-pound limit, and I'm gonna make y'all watch the video to see if we were able to do it or not, but I can tell you we flat out caught them. So I'm not gonna talk anymore. We're gonna go ahead and get right into the video so you can check out the action. All right, what am I gonna throw? Jerkbait? Might throw the jerkbait. What you got on, Scott? Scott got a swim bait. Let's see. I think I'm gonna throw the jerkbait, start off with. All right. Ease over here and fire this jerk bait. Got me a brand new reel. I ain't casted yet. This water's nice and clear. Let's see if I can throw this thing without getting a backlash. There we go. Somebody gonna get a giant today. Got a feeling. Hope so, anyway. So you said last time you were here, Lee, y'all caught 2 5s out of this one?
I did, yeah. Dude, it's like that, look right there, that grass right there, dude. And I'm talking about thick.
Yeah, so apparently my jerkbait ain't quite going down enough to get into that grass.
See it?
That's a good thing. I'm gonna get one on this thing, I believe.
Look, I changed the hooks out on that thing too.
Oh, to some better hooks?
Yeah, man. On those ones from Amazon. Probably I got hung up.
Somebody gonna get cranked here shortly.
All right, Kevin, I'm going.
Look, hey, look. Let's go on and move to the other pond, Lee. All right, we're gonna move to the other pond. We ain't fished this one long, but we're gonna move to the other one because that's where we definitely know the juice is, so. All right, Lee, this is the spot.
This is the juice here, boy.
This is the juice. Me and Lee getting
Why
excited.
did I even bring these other 2 rods?
I don't even know what I brought these other rods for either, but.
That is just so stupid.
Yep, so.
Cole, you ready to see the first one?
We're gonna get it done right here. This is where me and Lee caught him at big time.
You ready to see the first one?
Lee talking junk already. Y'all know Lee good for that. Let's see.
Well, don't tell me to bring a gun back here, brother. What you talking?
Blade. Got him? Lee got him! Lee got him! Yes, sir.
Oh my God, he come off that.
Did he come off? No, he's on there. Big and too, ain't it? He looks solid. Oh, look at him, head shakes. Oh, it's a big one. Look at him, I seen him. Yeah. Oh, nice one. Hey, he's skinnier than the ones we usually catch out here. That's a nice fish though. Got a big old head on him. Let's take a look at him. Got the old red lipstick on.
Yes, sir, like we want.
He's probably 3.5.
Skinny.
Hold him up. He is kind of skinny. He's a lot skinnier than the ones we normally catch out here. Got him on the old blade bait.
He was cold.
Yeah, the water's really cold. I don't know what it is. We've had some really cold days leading up to today. We'll see what this fish weighs. We're gonna get our best 5.
14.
2 pounds, 14 ounces?
Yeah. Just lock him in.
All right, 215. You locked in at 215, right? All right, 2 pounds, 15 ounces on that one. That's a good one to start off with.
215. I'll take one to tournament.
Oh, yeah. Hold him up for the camera before you let him go. There you go. Solid one, number one. All right, I'm gonna try this colored blade bait.
I should have bought them gold ones I had.
I don't know if I got any gold ones, but I got some different ones.
Got a pink or red?
I got red. I got red crawl. I got a red crawl one, so I may tie that one on here shortly, but I'm gonna throw this one. Like I said, it's like a glitter, sexy shad type color.
Yeah.
Try that one.
Look who hooked up.
Oh, Scott got one. Is that on the trap? Scott got a big on the trap. Yeah, this is a big one. Running to the side. How big is he? Nice one. It's a nice one. Oh, 4+ probably. Oh, big girl.
Not that big.
It's a nice one. No, it ain't quite a 4+. That's a 3.5 though. Solid fish. That's on the 3/4 ounce, isn't it?
Yeah.
3/4 ounce red eye shad, like a gold shad color.
Look how fat
Pretty
he
one.
is right
Yeah,
there.
he's so fat. Put the scale on him. He's probably
Ding.
he's at least 3 1/4. When he rolled up sideways that first time, he looked a little better, but
311.
311. Solid. Dude, they're so solid in here.
Solid.
3 pound, 11 ounce.
When he hit, I'm talking locked up. Like, it was like,
Heck yeah. Pretty one. So we got a 215 and a 311.
reeling it real slow.
Real slow. So 215 and a 311. Nice. All right, Cole, it's me and you now. We got to get one now. Oh, you get one.
That was the first bite I've had. Oh, God! Did you see
Oh,
him shark it?
I see it.
God.
He bit it right at the bank. Were you reeling it right in?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look, I tell you, that's what they did the other day over there. I
Yeah.
got it right here. He come down the bank and out of the water and ate it. It was the craziest thing I ever seen.
Was that a big one, Scott?
It wasn't as big.
One was big. So some of them are close then.
Look at the rod, dude.
Oh, Scott's in him. Scott's in him.
Just loaded right up there.
Loaded.
Nice.
Look at the rod, dude.
Yeah. So there's another one for the 3/4 ounce trap.
It's like pulling a log.
Yeah. Hey, might be a big. Hey, go. Hey, it's a pretty one. I'm right behind you, Lee. That's a solid one.
Oh, that's cool.
Dude, I cast it so far out there. I hadn't even.
Eat it or what?
Oh, this is completely. Y'all check this out. 3/4 ounce red eye shad, completely gone.
Go. That brother, it was good shot.
Just reeling it straight in, Scott.
Just reeling it slow.
I'm gonna have to put that 2-tap back on.
Yeah, Dad, I want to put that on.
All right, let me get these pliers.
Sorry, man.
I mean, that's
He just like,
that was way out there too, but he bit it right on the initial.
He was way out there.
Nice.
This was smaller than the last one.
No, it's not.
You don't think
No.
so?
Absolutely not.
Smell it. I can smell him from here. You can cut that out.
That'll be in there. That'll be in there.
I don't like
Do it
that.
again.
I don't like that brand called.
Just if you hit here, hit.
I hit that.
No, hit it.
Ain't gonna zero it.
Yeah, dude.
All right, okay.
Yeah, that one right there, Cole.
That's huge.
I know, that's what we want.
Tell you 4-1.
4-1. All right, 4-1. Hold them up.
You're storing them?
Yeah, hold on. That's a pretty one right there. I mean, solid chunk. I thought that fish might have been 4.5, but he's a pretty one.
Look at it.
I don't know. I'm trying to think if I. Oh, Lee's in him.
Oh, Lee, you didn't have to jerk it, Brad.
Hey, he sets the hook with it. I mean, set, dude. That's another good one.
See that? No, I didn't. I heard it.
There's another good one. They're on that front side. I'm over here on this back side. We're in the wrong spot, Cole.
You might have to check it. Yeah, like, don't give it all you got at first.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's the biggest. Oh, watch him, Lee. That's a big one. That's a stud. Flat hammer. That's another 4-pounder. All day, dude.
Well, I tell you, big one.
All day. They're set up right on this front side of this point.
Yep.
I'm casting over on that back side of the point, and they're set up on this front side.
Yep.
Here, let me grab the scale for you.
Dude, you just got some of the most sharpest teeth I have ever seen.
Yeah, because they feed on shad all the time. They don't feed on crawfish.
Dude, where's the net? I mean, the
Pliers.
pliers. Yeah, I got some in my bag.
There you go.
Keep in mind, Cole, that thing's real heavy.
You letting it go all the way down to the bottom, Scott?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And, but after that, that's it.
Yeah. $3.15. I thought he was going to go 4, but he did go 4. Yeah, 4 even. 4 even. So Scott's got the biggest right now with a 4-1. I'm gonna just catch less and catch like a 10-12. That's what
I ain't never witnessed a 10 in person.
I haven't either. I haven't either. So I hope we see one today.
I see the bag.
Easy thing to y'all. I'm really going to catch that.
Yeah, hey, that's fine with me. I don't care.
My biggest is just a 4-pounder, right?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully you.
Cole's biggest one was 4.5.
All right. Well, hopefully you break that today. All right, I'm gonna switch back to the blade again.
I'll tell you what. Yeah, you're right. Look, right there. Right there, Scott. Right there.
I just threw out there where Scott cast it because I wanted to
Hey,
see if he just got the school fired. That's another good one.
Walking in like we fishing.
on the pier.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Yeah, right on the surface.
That's a little bit. He ain't quite as big, but that's still well over a 3-pounder.
That's number 5, Scott.
Is that number 5? Yeah, that's about a. That's a 3. That's a 3.
That looks like the one that followed it in on us.
Right.
Does it?
Cole, what are we doing, Cole? What are we doing? This wind is getting up out here. Let's see what we got.
See him scooting sideways.
All right.
Got it in there good? It's about a 2 3/4, ain't it?
210.
210? Not a bad one.
You can take him off, Scott.
Not a bad one. Other way, bud. Pretty one.
All right, boys, that's number 5.
All right, so what's best 5 right now,
What
Lee?
do you think we have, Scott?
4, 8, 17 something.
17.8, Scott. is what
7.
we have.
Okay, first 5 fish, 17.8.
And that's with 2-pounders.
Yep. Yep, first 5 fish, 17.8. All right, so there you go.
Hey.
What's the dial on the side?
I have yet to get a bite.
He's in.
I have not had a touch. I mean,
Somebody needs to throw something that's like hot pink
I told Kevin earlier. A hot pink.
But I mean, mine's got a bright purple with a chartreuse belly. This wind is blowing right from behind us, straight across. Blowing basically just like this. And it's really picking up. I didn't even know the wind was supposed to blow this hard today. But we got some clouds rolling in. It was sunny when we got here. Hopefully that'll help the bite. You got him? Is it a big one? Oh, Lee might have a big one. Oh, let me get this in.
Scott,
You got him?
he almost missed it. I seen the fish bite.
You see it?
Yeah.
Lee got an old chunk. That is an upgrade. That's going to be an upgrade. Get any pliers?
Yeah. Dude, you see when he struck it right there at the post?
Where's my pliers? Right here.
Gosh, he struck it close.
That's a 3-something, I believe. So smallest fish right now is what, 215?
I can tell you in a second.
Oh, he's 215 too.
215,
Okay. Up. 3 even. 3 even. 210 was our smallest.
That's 210 right there.
Yep.
So lock him in right there.
3 even. So what we got now?
That's
215's our
smallest.
215's our smallest.
17, 14.
17, 14. All right. 17 pounds, 14 ounces is what we got. And I have not contributed, not one bit, nor have I had a single bite. So we'll try to get on it here. Scott and Lee have been working on them. Lee just hopped over to that other pond and caught him. So let's see what we got going on here. All right, I'm gonna tie on that red. I'm gonna tie on that red blade bait. See if we can do something, because I swear we are falling behind right now. All right, so we're gonna switch over to a red crawl right here. Red crawl blade bait. Just not getting bit, so I had to make some kind of change. So maybe this will be the change that I need. Man, I switched over to this red hoping. Oh, I just said it, and there he is. I was just saying I switched over to this red. This is the first one, and he's a solid one too. That is my first freaking bite. Scott ain't even gonna be here to see it.
Ding!
Got one, Scott.
Ding!
Dude, Lee.
Good thing. I see it.
Yep, that's a grown one right there. That's the biggest of the day. Oh, come here. Well, I say he's the biggest of the day. He's close to it. He's a chunk. He's probably a 4-pounder.
Oh, Kevin, I bet he's about 3.5.
I don't know. He's kind of long. Finally, Lee. Finally. Got him on that red, and I was just sitting there saying that I had switched over to this red, and I had not got bit yet, but thankfully, I got one. We're gonna break the scale out. He ain't quite as big as what I thought he was, but he's pretty close. He's gonna be close to 4, 3.25. Got a pretty lateral line on him.
3.5.
3.5?
Yep.
Not quite as big as I thought. They don't seem like they're weighing quite as heavy. They're not quite as fat as they
We're gonna move them.
were that last time. That's a pretty fish day. I'm gonna get you to take a picture of me with him. All right. There he is. What was he, 3.5? 3 pounds, 5 ounces. Pretty fish. These fish are a lot longer and leaner than what they were the last time we were here.
It'll be a lot easier.
So I know last year they were surprising us with how much they weighed. They're a little bit lighter this time around, but still some solid fish. Glad to finally get a bite. Got one on that red, finally. Yeah, right in front of me, yep.
You know, this is the craziest thing, man. Do those schools shift?
I'm sure they shift and move around, yeah.
And is the water still, is it cold enough where it's going to have them group?
Dude,
or are
it's,
these fish just roaming, man?
I don't know, that water's pretty doggone cold today.
Yeah, but
Them
dude,
fish are cold.
I still think they're roaming, Kevin.
Yeah, they might be.
That's why we're not just bam, 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 you know?
These fish definitely are not weighing as heavy as they did last year.
Well,
They're nowhere near as fat. They're longer and leaner, and I wonder why that is. Which I will say, last year we were catching them in mid-February,
yeah.
and we're right here at the beginning of January. So that may have that definitely has a little bit of a difference, because they probably were filled up with eggs last year.
Right.
So they're a little bit leaner, but
Oh, there he is.
nice fish.
Boy.
Got one, Lee?
No, but
Did he bite it?
Yeah.
Lee just got bit.
Look.
God, look at that. Look.
Look, I told you they ain't that far. Look.
Lee just threw right over top of me,
They ain't
literally.
that far, Kevin. Look, literally about right there.
And Lee just got locked up on one.
They're not that deep out there.
That fish got some pretty good head shakes on it.
Dang! Dang! Hey, Cole, he ain't coming out here. Look,
Oh, dude, that's a good one.
look at my bag right here.
That's a good one.
Oh, I'll tell you what, keep that on. I'll let you throw mine.
That fish there is that fish there is one of them thick ones we were talking about.
Solid.
I mean, that fish is solid right there. That
Wow.
is quite the. You need pliers? Dude, I don't know where they're at. Huh.
3-0 is the smallest one. That's number 5.
Okay, 3.0 is the smallest fish we got. So let's see what this one goes. He's pretty solid. 3.8. 3.8, so 3.5.
Lock. Load it.
3.8. Pretty one.
What do you think we at?
We're at
18-11 still.
18.11.
Dude, we just need to break that freaking. We need a 5-pounder.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
We'll get one. Cole's gonna
Here you
get
go,
him.
Cole, come here.
Cole's gonna get him.
You see what I mean, man? It's a wave. Like,
Yeah, it's like you get bit.
done.
Yeah.
Another wave will come through.
Yep.
That's probably where you want that, Cole. Where you at? Where you at? What did you do? Awesome. There you go.
Lee got one. Oh, that might be a bit, dude. That thing loaded up.
Ooh,
Whoa, Lee.
God.
That might be the bit. That might be the one.
I'm talking about
That-
circuit Patriot boot.
That was a hard run right there. That was a hard run.
Did you see that?
Yeah, that was a hard run. Oh,
Are we gonna break tire?
woo! I think that might be. Oh, dude, ho, ho.
Where you going, big girl? Come on.
Lee definitely has the one that they want. That's a good one. They've all been good ones, but that's a sure enough good. That's a good one.
Hey, is that 5?
No, he ain't 5, but he's 4 something. He's 4.5 at least. I gotta change colors again. Lee, you got me all screwed up.
Scott!
Whew.
Ding. Hey, come here. Come here. Throw right there. Throw right in the middle. God, dog, what we do to them pliers?
They're right here. Here you go. That's a big right there. That's a good one. Oh, the hook like went through. There you go.
Hey, you see how we were yo-yoing it?
Black Label Slim, baby.
Oh, Scott's hooked up.
Black Label Slim.
Black Label Slim.
Now Scott's hooked up on one.
This
That's a solid one right there. I mean, Lee got him a big boy right here. So what's that? What was he gonna go? 412. 412, Scott.
Choke.
It did. 412. That's a solid fish. I mean, just here, hold him up. That's just as pretty as they come. Come on, phone.
Hold on, Kevin. Yeah.
Lee and Scott, y'all hold him.
3.8. Hold on. 3.8. 3.11. 3.5. So 3.5. Got to get rid of him.
That fish Scott's got might get rid of that 3.5. That was that's a pretty fish. Y'all check this out.
Hey, don't mess that bait up there with them cowboy boots on.
Dang, how much was that one?
412. Solid one.
So,
Here, y'all hold him up.
Ding.
Got it. Oh, here, y'all hold him up for the camera. Hold him up for the. Y'all check that out. That's some pretty ones right there. 412. Lee just caught. We're gonna see what this one Scott's got.
Step on that.
Yeah, don't step on that bait there.
Oh, hot mustard.
Yeah. I told y'all to throw some with some color.
That fish there is dark. That's a pretty fish.
That fish there been in grass. 3.6.
3.6. So is that an upgrade or no? What's the smallest fish we have?
Well, that one he just caught.
No, brother.
Got
That
rid
ain't
of
gonna
that
do it.
Ain't gonna do it. What's
No.
the smallest one now?
3.8 is the smallest.
Okay, and that's a 3.6. Hey, that's a pretty one though, man.
I'm gonna put it back where it came from.
Yeah.
So what we got now, Lee?
22.
Oh, 22 even?
20 pounds, 2 ounces.
Oh, okay, 20 pounds, 2 ounces. Okay, 20 pounds.
What's the smallest? 3.8?
3.8.
Wow. That's as good as it gets right there. I gotta color that's similar to that one Lee's throwing. I gotta tie that on. I've got to tie it on.
Yo-yo on that. Flip on that tree on that point.
Yeah.
Got to do. That was what they got there. Hey, y'all ready to move?
Yeah, we're moving.
Let's move.
All right, we're gonna move.
Yeah, we're gonna move.
All right.
I done got my yard sale packed up.
All right, so we're gonna make a move. Get everything
Kevin, you gotta get your stuff right.
situated. Yeah, I just gotta get my backpack. What way we going around, Lee?
To the all the way.
Are we going? We're gonna go around that way. Okay. Scott done brought out the crates.
Gotta get them all, dog.
All right, so we just moved over here to this side, over here in this corner, and I think we're all throwing. What are you throwing, Scott?
Rattle trap.
Okay, Scott's throwing a rattle trap. I think everybody else throwing blade bait, but Lee said he caught some big ones here last time. He was here last weekend, so we're gonna see what happens. We are definitely on the windy side of the pond now, undoubtedly. I had just cut my whoa, that's a big one. I had just cut my GoPro off and restarted it. And he bit it right as I was restarting it, right when I let it drop.
Blades.
This is a good one. He bit it close to the bank too. Good. Woo! Over 4. Over 4, son. That's definitely my biggest of the day. And I switched over to my XPS blade bait, which I got a ton of confidence in. That bad boy right there, that's an old school one, but absolute football. I mean, that's a chunky one right there. I had just cut my GoPro off and restarted it right when this fish bit.
Ooh,
He's a fat one.
Look at the gut on him.
He is a fat one.
Hold on. Let me get my net. Let me get
Wow, that fish is heavy too.
Dude, I told you the big one. Dude, I don't know why the last.
He hit it on the drop. Like when I came up, I thought I'd like got stuck. Like it just stopped.
Hold on, Kevin. Let me see what the smallest is. 3.8. That's 35.
He's definitely over 3.8. So we said we wanted to hit 21. We got to get a couple more chunks, but I think this one's gonna break 4. Oh yeah, 411. 4 pounds 11 ounces. 411, Scott.
411.
Let me get you to take a picture of me with him real quick. All right, there he is. What was it, 411?
411.
4 pounds 11 ounce. That is a chunk. Let him go. That is a football. Thank you. Yep. All right, let's get us another one.
Oh!
Got him a pretty one too.
Oh, hey!
Ding. Hey, that's a good one. That's a good one too. Bro, what's your PB? This might be his PB, dude. What, 4.5's your PB?
Yeah.
It's gonna be close. I mean, it's gonna be real close. That fish has the biggest mouth of any fish we've caught. I can tell you that.
That fish is big.
That fish is nice, dude.
He bit it like 2
Hey, that
times.
thing's bigger than it looks.
Hey, I know.
That thing's a tank.
I'm telling you. Hey, this might be Cole's PB. Let's see if we broke a PB today. This could be the biggest fish of the day.
311 is small. That's number 2.
I'll get you to rinse him off after we weigh him. And
Was it like hitting a log? What did it feel like?
I don't know, but he bit it one time and I missed him and he came back and get it.
4.7.
4.7. 4.7. So
7. That's close, dude. That's right at it.
yeah, your PB was what, 4.8, 4.5. So
Hey, you gotta get a picture of it.
he rinse him off good, and we'll get.
Hey, Cole, that's a good job, bud. We just hit 22 pounds.
Did we?
22
Yes,
pounds each.
sir. Hold him up.
Yeah. Don't let him go now.
That's a pretty one there.
All right, take a pic.
That's a pretty one. Let's get a picture of y'all.
Hold him out straight. Yeah.
Hey, y'all know what
Yep, turn him. There you go.
Hey, man, that's pretty fish.
Pretty fish right there.
Hey, dang, good look at that fish.
That's what I'm talking about. There he goes.
Dude, that
Go.
Solid.
He load up.
Hey,
Load up.
good job, bro. Nice. All right, so Cole almost broke his PB right then, 4.7. And he caught it on a rattle trap, 3/4 ounce rattle trap, solid fish. We just broke 22 pounds as well, so that is what I'm talking about. Hey, was that another bite? Nice.
dude, I pumped it twice, and he pulled the rod back.
God. What is
Not
it?
bad. 412.
Oh,
4.6.
Oh, 4.6.
4.6.
Take it, Scott.
4.6. It's a pretty one, man.
You see him jump out of the water?
I saw it.
Like a summer.
I saw him jump out of the water. That was awesome. Sweet.
Yeah, dude, that didn't help us, did it?
No, it helped us. 22 pounds, 7 ounces.
Hey, smallest one right now, 4.1.
4.1.
4.1 is our smallest. Absolutely incredible.
That was mine. That was the first one I caught.
That's awesome.
The 4.1. Now we get ready to call all my food.
No, Lee did. Lee caught a 4.12 and I caught a 4.11.
I caught a 4.6. You caught a 4.6.
4.7.
I caught a
That's awesome.
Dude, I'm telling you, I pumped it and the rod snapped back.
Hey, Cole, hook up.
All right, well, we moved back over here to the point where we kind of started, basically. And we're hoping everybody can catch at least one fish because we don't have that much longer to fish. So we're going for one more piece. And what do we got right now, Lee? 22?
22.7.
22.7. So it's going to take an absolute beast. I mean, it's going to take a 6-pounder, well, 5.5 probably to break 23 pounds. But I mean, that's definitely possible. Oh, that's
Hook
definitely
up.
possible.
Cole, hook up.
Oh, Lord.
Hook up.
That is funny. I mean, they pull so hard, like it's so heavy.
Cole, hook up. Let's go. Get that bait done. Let's go.
That's not a bad one.
You think it's not bad?
That's not a bad one.
Yeah, but he got to be 4. He got to be what, 4?
It's got to be over 4.5.
Yeah.
Oh, he ate it.
Dude,
It's
gone.
completely gone. Yeah, he's not over 4.5, but he completely ate it. What a nice fish. Oh, he's got all weeded up here.
He ain't over 4.
No, he's not over 4. I mean, that is gone though.
Gone.
That is gone. Nice. All right, let's get the pliers. Get this dude. We just got over here. Just got back over here.
Hey, Cole, tell him you better hook up.
Tell Lee you're gonna hook up. You're gonna. That's on that XPS. Let's rinse him a little bit. There he is. Pretty one. He's probably 3 something. Get on back in there. Pretty fish. All right. All right, so now everybody else needs to get one more. Get one. Scott's jumping over to the other pond. He gave me that look.
I was just going to go over there.
All right, that's it. We ended with 22.7. Best 5. And the cool thing about it is, every one of us had a fish within that limit.
Yes.
Every one of us had a fish
Everybody
within that limit.
contributed to that
Yep.
5 fish.
So that's awesome. All right, well, there you go. We ended up with over 22 pounds. Man, that place is absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. The fish weren't quite as fat as they were last time we fished there, but we were like late February when we were kind of there last year. And, you know, so the fish were a little bit fatter, but they are some healthy fish and they pull hard. And that's just an awesome, awesome place. Awesome pond. It's just cool to have a really good pond to be able to go to like that, to get away from the tough public waters and in the wintertime and have fun, catch some really nice fish. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you next time on Gunfish TV.